Marone, a picturesque lakeside town on the eastern shore of Lake Iseo, is known for its tranquil charm and stunning natural surroundings. With a history deeply tied to fishing and agriculture, the town offers a serene escape from bustling urban life. Its quaint streets, traditional architecture, and friendly atmosphere make Marone a favorite for travelers seeking relaxation and authentic local experiences, all against the backdrop of Lombardy's breathtaking landscapes. The olive groves of Marone produce some of the finest olive oil in the region, a staple of local cuisine. Visitors can tour these groves, learn about traditional and modern oil production techniques, and taste the rich, flavorful oils. The groves not only contribute to the town's economy but also add to its scenic charm, with rows of silver-green trees stretching across the hillsides, blending nature with agricultural heritage. Marone's lakefront promenade is a peaceful spot where residents and tourists enjoy leisurely walks and stunning views of Lake Iseo. With benches, shaded areas, and quaint cafes lining the path, it's an ideal place to relax, people watch, or enjoy the tranquility of the lake. Sunsets here are particularly mesmerizing, with hues of orange and pink reflecting off the calm waters. The Church of San Martino Vescovo, Marone's central place of worship, boasts beautiful frescoes and an inviting, serene atmosphere. Dating back centuries, it reflects the town's rich religious heritage and serves as a gathering place for the community. The church's bell tower is an iconic feature of Marone's skyline and a testament to the town's historical architecture. Marone is a gateway to the Torbiere del Sabino, a protected wetland area renowned for its biodiversity. This natural reserve is home to a variety of bird species and lush vegetation, making it a paradise for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. Well-marked trails and observation points allow visitors to explore the wetlands while learning about the importance of preserving such unique ecosystems. The Monte Guglielmo, a towering peak near Marone, offers exceptional hiking opportunities and breathtaking views of Lake Iseo and the surrounding Alps. The trails leading to the summit range in difficulty, catering to casual walkers and seasoned hikers alike. At the top, visitors can find the distinctive Red Cross monument and enjoy a well-deserved rest while taking in the panoramic scenery. Marone's artisan shops are a delightful feature of the town, offering handmade goods that reflect the region's traditions and creativity. From locally crafted ceramics and woodwork to textiles and jewelry, these shops provide unique souvenirs and gifts. Engaging with the artisans gives visitors insight into their craft and highlights Marone's dedication to preserving its cultural heritage. The Festival of San Martino, Marone's patron saint, is a lively annual event that combines religious traditions with community celebrations. Parades, music, and local food stalls create a festive atmosphere, attracting visitors from nearby towns. The festival showcases the strong community spirit and deep-rooted cultural identity of Marone, making it a memorable experience for those who attend. Marone's fishing heritage is celebrated through its culinary offerings, with local restaurants serving freshly caught fish from Lake Iseo. Dishes such as grilled sardines, perch risotto, and smoked trout reflect the town's connection to the lake and its resources. Dining by the water allows visitors to savor these delicacies while enjoying the serene lakeside ambiance. The Marone Music Nights, held during the summer, bring the town alive with performances by local and international artists. From classical ensembles to contemporary bands, the events cater to diverse musical tastes. The concerts, often staged in open-air venues, allow attendees to enjoy Marone's beautiful evening atmosphere while experiencing its vibrant cultural scene. The ancient washhouses in Marone, once used by locals to wash clothes, offer a glimpse into the town's everyday life in earlier times. These stone structures, often located near natural springs or streams, are now preserved as historical landmarks. They provide a window into Marone's past and highlight the importance of water in the community's history and daily life. The boat tours from Marone offer a unique perspective on Lake Iseo, allowing visitors to explore its hidden corners and nearby attractions such as Monte Guglielmo. These tours, often led by knowledgeable guides, highlight the lake's geological, historical, and ecological significance. Whether on a private boat or a group excursion, the experience is both educational and relaxing. The cultural heritage of Marone is preserved in its annual storytelling events, where local legends, folklore, and historical anecdotes are shared. These gatherings, often held in public squares or community halls, foster a sense of identity and connection among residents. Visitors are welcome to join and learn about the town's unique tales, deepening their appreciation for its cultural richness. Marone's honey production reflects the town's commitment to sustainable agriculture and biodiversity. Local beekeepers harvest honey from hives situated in the pristine countryside, producing a range of varieties influenced by the region's flora. Visitors can sample and purchase honey directly from producers, gaining insight into the art of beekeeping and its environmental importance. The Marone Water Sports Center offers a range of activities for adventure seekers, including paddleboarding, windsurfing, and sailing. Located along the lakefront, the center provides equipment rentals and lessons for all skill levels. These activities allow visitors to experience the lake's beauty while staying active and engaged, making it a highlight of Marone's recreational offerings. The frescoes in local churches are an artistic treasure that reflect Marone's spiritual and cultural history. These works of art, often created by regional masters, depict biblical scenes and saints in vibrant detail. Visitors can admire these frescoes during guided tours or private visits, discovering the stories and techniques behind their creation. They add depth to Marone's religious heritage. The quiet charm of Marone's alleys invites exploration, with cobblestone streets leading to hidden courtyards, fountains, and picturesque corners. These alleys, lined with colorful houses and blooming flowers, capture the essence of small-town Italy. Strolling through them reveals the slower pace of life in Marone and its commitment to preserving a sense of timelessness and authenticity. Marone's local festivals and fairs often feature traditional dances performed by residents in colorful costumes. These events provide a lively atmosphere where visitors can witness the joy and camaraderie of the community. The dances, accompanied by live music, often tell stories of love, nature, and history, showcasing the town's vibrant cultural traditions.